Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Syed. I am a student of grade 8B at Indian School, Doha, Qatar. In previous video, I discussed question number 9 from exercise 11.2, the same chapter mensuration. And today we are going to discuss on question number 10 from same exercise 11.2 and the chapter mensuration. So this question has 3 parts. So we will continue doing one by one. Now the question says there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Aisha and Fatima divided into different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest same other way of finding its area? Now in the question, what they have given us, a figure. They have given us a figure, this type of figure, and there are two characters in it, Aisha and Fatima. Now they are dividing. They are taking separate ways. Aisha is taking this shape, and Fatima is taking this way. Now this shape. Now what they are saying in the question, there is a pentagonal shaped park. Now what is a pentagon? This shape which has 5 sides and vertices, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these all are 5. Now 5 vertices or 5 sides. Now they are saying pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. So now the question they are asking, for finding its area, Aisha and Fatima divided it in two different parts. Now this is the Aisha's part and this is the Fatima's part. Now what they are saying is, find the area of the park of both ways. Can you suggest a way? Can you suggest some other way of solving this, finding this way of finding this area? Now what they're saying, yeah, so first what we are going to find, the Aisha's diagram. Now in Aisha's diagram, the area of the pentagon ABCD is equals to this area, this A B C D E. E is also there. A B C D E. Now they are saying area of the trapezium AEDF. Now this is a trapezium, A, E, D and F. So this is a trapezium. I will draw you separately and show you. It's like this. Now we are dividing them both. Now there's a gap, and there's another trapezium here. So there are two trapeziums in this figure. Now what we are going to do, first we are going to find the trapezium of the area of these both trapeziums. Now trapezium AEDF. Now this is the trapezium. The first trapezium is A, E and D, F. Now F is in the middle of both, so we will take it in both the trapeziums. So B, C, F, A. Now it's A is also including this. So A and F. So this will be B and C, and this will be F. This will be A as it is. So this trapezium is starting from B. B, C, F, A. This is the trapezium now. Now what we are going to do? We have to do half DF. Now for finding the area of the pentagon ABCDE, what we are doing, the area of trapezium. So we are finding the area of this trapezium first. This first trapezium AEDF. Then the second trapezium, area of BCFA. Finding the area of the trapezium BCFA. Now trapezium. Now we have to add them both also. Now what I am doing is I am writing all the sides of them. Now half DF ED. Now what is this DF ED plus AF? What is this? So DF, I would like to tell DF. DF is this much side. So they have not given information about this side as per the question. They have not given anything about this side. So we will write it as X. But I am doing it in DF form only. So we will do it like that for further use. So it will be easiest to understand, because there are two types, DF and FC. So ED plus AF. Now what is ED? ED is this side, which is 15 meter. So we have the value of ED, which is 15 meters. Now and AF is this value, AF, which is the whole length. The whole length is 30 meters. So 15 plus 30, we are going to multiply them. So we are going to add them. This 15 and 30 we are going to add. Now this is the area of trapezium AEDF. Now we have to find the area of trapezium BCAFA is this 1/2 into FC. FC we don't have the value, as I mentioned before. As we know, FC we don't have got the value of this. So we have to keep it as it is. Now we are going for the further. Now BC plus AF. Now BC is this side, BC. So in this measures, it is also 15 meters, and the AF, as I said you before, as I mentioned, this AF is also 30 meters. Now we are going to copy paste it like that, same only. So 15 plus 30 here and 15 plus 30 here. Now 1/2 into DF into 45. When we will add this, when we will add them for 15 plus 30, we will get the answer 45. Now plus, this is the plus, as I told you, as I mentioned here, this is plus. Now plus half 1/2 into FC into 45. Now FC we did not get the value, so FC as it is and DF as it is. So we will keep it like this, and again we did the sum here, which in which we got 45. Now what we are going to do, we are going to transpose this DF and FC in one bracket and add them both. Now we have two 45s. So what can we do? We have to take only one 45. Now into 45 in bracket DF into FC. Now what we are going to do, their value. Now this is, if this is 30 meters, this is also 30 meters. This whole area is 30 meters. The breadth, this line is it's 30 meters. Now what we are going to do, DF. Now DF we are going to subtract it with 30, which is equal to 15. Now we will do the half of 30, which will be equal to 15. Now this side also, FC, we will do as it is, as I mentioned for DF. Now DF and FC we have the value 15. So no need to write it 15 into 15 and again be confused. We will write only 115. So therefore 1/2 into 45 into 15. Now what we are going to do, so area of this BCFA and area of AEDF. Now we are going to find when we will multiply 45 into 15. Now let's multiply them. 45 into 15. 5 5 is 25. Then 5 4 is 20 plus 2 25. 225. Then 1 5 is 5. 1 4 is 4 itself. Then 2 plus 4 6. And then 2 plus 5 7. And then 5. So we have got the answer 675. So the area is 675. 1 by 2 into 675. So what we are going to do, we are not going to leave it as it is. We are going to multiply 672 and this 2. Now we are going to multiply them. We are going to multiply them here as it is. Now then 675 by 2. Now this will be and 3, 6 as it is, then 0. This will be 7 will be transposed here, and then again 3, 6. Now we will get here the remainder 1, then 5. What we are going to do? Then 7, because 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Then 14. Then the remainder will be 1. Then we are going to take a point. Now then we will get 1 0 when we will take a point. So 10 comes in 2 times 5, which is equal to 0. Now 10. Now we have got the answer. Now we have got the answer 337.5 centimeters square. Now the total area of these two trapeziums are 337.5 meters square. Now we have found the area of this Aisha's diagram. What we did was first we did these calculations. When we did this, and in final we got 1 by 2 into 675. Then we divided them and we got the answer 337.5 meters square. Now let's go to the next part. Right. So I am going to erase this all due to the lack of place. Now the area found for the Aisha's diagram is equals to 337 and 337.5 meters square. Now inshallah after erasing this we will continue the part 2, the Fatima's diagram. No, let's leave it. So we have found the area of Aisha's way, which is 337.5 meter square. Now let's find the area of Fatima's diagram, the way. So what we have to do now, a into a. Now a is the area, so a is the side, a side. So a is 15 and the another a is also 15. So 15 into 15. So is equals to we are going to substitute all these values. 15 into 15 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into b into h into breadth. Now what is the breadth? Breadth is 15. This is the breadth. This is the breadth. This part. This line coming and joining here is this is the breadth. So what we are going to write is this is the breadth. So this will be into 15, and in bracket what we are going to do, the height. The height, what we are going to do, the height is 30 minus 15, because the whole height is 30, but we have to find only the height of this triangle. So what we are going to do, this height we are going to subtract with 30, so doing its half. So 30 minus 15. Now what we are going to do, we have to multiply them both, which is 15 into 15, 225. Now let's do it first. 15 into 15. So 5 5 is 25. Then 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, 1 5 is 5. Then 1 1s are 1. Then 5. Then 7 plus 5 it's 12. then 1 plus 1, it's 2. So we got the answer 225. Then plus 1 by 2, because the half into base into height. So the base is 15 into 15. Now when we will subtract this, and get the answer, we will get into 15, because 30 minus 15 is equals to 15. Now 225 plus 1 by 2 into 15 into 15. So what we did, we are going to do here also. So it equals to 225 plus 1 by 2 into, now what we did here, we are going to do it again here. So we will get the answer 225 as we got here. So 225. Now what we are going to do, we are going to cut them both, like divide them both. Now let's divide them. I'm going to make this fast. Now 225 we are going to divide, then 2, again 1, then again 2, then we are going to take 1 again, then it will be 0, and then we will bring 5 down. We will get the answer 4, 2, then here 4, then 1. Now now it is the 1 is left, so we can't left it without solving, without bringing it on 0. So what we are going to do, put a point here and we will get 0. Then 2 5s are 10. Then let's do this, 5 10. No, this is 0. Okay, now what we have, the answer we got is 112.5. now which is equal to 225 plus 112.5. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add them. We are going to add them now. Now 225 plus just a second. There's a problem. 112.5 plus 2.5. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add them. Now 5 plus 5 is what? Okay, so we are continuing. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. Then 1 plus 2, 3, and again 1 plus 2, 3. So we got the answer. Now there is only one place after point, so we are putting point after this. Now we got the same answer as we got for the Aisha's figure, the part, Aisha's part, which is equal to which is equal to 337.5 meters square. This is the so this is the area. This is the whole area found for the Fatima's diagram. So what we found for the Fatima's diagram was, we did all this calculation. So when we did, we got answer 337.5 meters square. So I'm going to erase this, and we will continue on the third part, which they are asking us to write our own way. So I'm going to do my sir's way, Mr. Santosh Badigar. So I will erase this. Where is the eraser? Okay, so we have found the area of Aisha's and Fatima's the diagrams. Now what we have found is Aisha's is 337.5 meters square, and Fatima's is also 37.5 meters square. So we have found the area, the areas of these shapes. Both of the parts are same. Now In the question they have asked us to give a suggestion and do in other way for in our self way. So I am going to do in my sir's way how he showed me in our classroom, Mr. Santosh Vadigar. Now, if again I am reminding, again I am saying, if anything goes wrong, it is from my side. It is from my side, not from my sir's side. So let's start. So what we have done, in this shape we have transposed it. We have kind of transformed it into three triangles. One triangle this, one triangle this one, and this one. I will show you how. Now this is the shape. This is the shape. Now what we have done, we have divided the upper one from here. Then what we did, then this square we transposed into half. Now this will become like this, and then there will be a little bit gap. Then again this will become like this. So this is how this will be separated. Now this is also a triangle. Now this is how they will be separated. Now there are three triangles in this diagram. Now what we have to do for three triangles, we have to find the area of the pentagon is equals to area of triangle ABE, triangle A, B and E, plus the area of triangle BED, the area of triangle B, E and D. So this is also a triangle, from here to here, and then here, then this. This is also a triangle. Then plus area of triangle BCD. Now triangle B, angle B, angle C and angle D. From here to here one triangle, and from here to here, then again back, going on to back. Now this is also a triangle. Now what we have to do, we have to substitute them. Now BE, we have to write their formula, 1 by 2 into base into height. Now 1 by 2 into BE. BE has the value of 15. As we discussed here, BE has the value of 15 when we did this. Then BE into AF. Now AF also has the value of 15. When we did previously, we did 30 minus 15, in which we got the area 15. So this is also 15. I will write it for not being confused. Then 1 by 2 into 15, again into 15, plus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2. Now BE, this side from here to here, this is also 15 meters. Now which we done here, again it's coming on the second triangle. So this is also 15 into 15. Then again into, then this ED from where we got this ED, and this side we have got 15 meters. So this is also 15. Now there are so many 15s in it, so we don't need to be confused. So be careful while doing this. So into 15, again plus, it's plus here, then plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now DC. What is DC? DC is this one. When we did in the first one, when we did previously, 15 minus 30, which is equal to 15 here. When we did it here. Now this is 15 into 15. Then again into. Now this into what we are going to do, BC. Now the side BC, this side. Now in this shape we have done it here, triangle BC, the side BC, which is equal to 15 into 15. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply all the 15s. Now we will do only one. 15 into 15, 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, then 1 plus 5, 5, then 1 plus 1, it's 1. Then we are going to add them. Then 5, then 7 plus 5 12, then 1 plus 1 2. Now we have got the answer 225. Now what we are going to do is equals to 1 by 2 into 225 plus 1 by 2 into 225, because everything is 15 into 15. So we have done 15 into 15 once, then we don't need to do it again and again, so and waste the time. So again, plus 1 by 2 into 15 into 225 into 225. Now what we are going to do, we can cut them. We can cut 2 and 225 in this. Now let's divide them. 225. Now 225 by 2. This will be 1, 0, then again 2 transpose here, 1, then 0 again, then 5. Then 5 again we will do 2 into 2 will be 4, then 1 minus. Now we will take a point for having a 0, then 5, then 2 5s are 10, then we will have a 0 here. Now this is our division. Then we got the answer is equals to 102.5. Now what we have got, we have to forget about this one. This will be 1 by 1, then it will go same as it is. Then 1 by 1 0. Then plus as it is we did here, we are going to multiply them, we are going to divide them also here. Then we will get 112.5 as we got here, this. Then again 112.5. This will be 1, this will be also 1. Then again we will do divide here, then 112.5 meters, and then 1. Again what we are going to do, we are going to write 112.5 plus 112. It's 112.5. Now we are going to add them all. Now we are going to add them all for finding the area of our Searle's method. Now let's do this. 112.5 plus 112.5 plus 112.5. Now three same numbers. Now we have 5 plus 5 10, then 10 plus 5 15. Now 5, then 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, then 2 plus 5 plus 7, 5 plus 2 7. Now 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Again same 3. Now there is only one place after the decimal point, so this will be the answer. So therefore, in our way, we got the answer as 337.5 meters square. So this is how we did. What we did was we did all these calculations, and then in last we found 337.5 meters square. Thank you so much.